learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Welcome back to Let's Talk About Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today, why don't we get into more idioms, phrases, sayings in Hakka? 其實有時候學這些諺語啊，我覺得還蠻有趣的。今天有沒有什麼樣的諺語可以介紹一下？高難度一點的，好了。
今天要教大家人生的大道理。
真的嗎 ？OK， 好。
富瓜水富臉皮實。甘蔗水甜愛皮雜。
哇，聽起來10幾個字在這裡耶。再講一次，我們分兩段 ，OK？
來，富瓜水富臉皮實。
OK， 這句話什麼意思？
苦瓜雖苦，連皮吃。
So I'm breaking the sentence down into two parts. The first part is how the bitter gourd is bitter, but we still eat the skin. OK， 好，沒錯。然後呢？
甘蔗水甜愛皮雜的意思就是甘蔗雖然很甜，但是呢，還是要吐渣。
The second part of the idiom is that when you eat sugarcane, even though it's sweet, you still have to spit out the pulp.
就是這句話有點那種就是人不可貌相的意思。
It's an interesting way of saying you cannot judge the book by its cover. Okay, 人不可貌相 because sometimes even though the bitter gourd seems to be bitter, but you still need to consume the whole thing. And then even when something appears sweet, you may have to get rid of part of it. Let's go ahead and teach these terms in here. Okay, 我們順便把裡面的一些單字教給大家哦。
好，
苦瓜叫做
富瓜，
富瓜。Okay, that's the bitter gourd, and then it's got a skin, 有皮。皮 okay, that's the skin. 甘蔗 that's the sugar cane.
甘蔗，
甘蔗，但是呢要吐这个渣，对不对？
皮雜。
It sounds like pizza. It means spitting the pulp out. Okay, 就是皮就是吐的意思嘛，
吐掉的意思。
渣就是
那个剩下來那個殘渣。
There you go. Let's hear the explanation entirely in English right now.
An old Hakka proverb goes something like this. Bitter melon might be bitter, but at least you can eat the whole thing. Sugar cane might be sweet, but you have to spit out the pulp. The proverb is supposed to mean that everything has strengths and weaknesses, and it's up to the individual to choose how to look at it. An English approximation might be, you can't judge a book by its cover.
Again, it's about how you can't judge a book by its cover, and this is how you say it in Hakka. 用客家話再講一下。
富瓜水富臉皮實，甘蔗水甜愛皮雜。
Pizza, not pizza, okay? There you go, another idiom brought to you in Hakka, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.